Hello grade 5s, how are you doing? It's my hope that you are doing fine wherever you are and taking all precautions against corona. If that is it, it's my pleasure. I'm missing you guys. I'm missing you a lot. That is why I've decided to prepare a lesson that I'm going to share with you today. And this is science and technology. The topic that we're going to discuss today is lenses. We are going to know the concept of lens, we are going to know the types of lenses, but also we are going to know the uses of lenses. Let me start with the concept of lenses. What is a lens? A lens is a piece of transparent glass or clear plastic material that is able to diverge or converge light rays so that it can form an image. When we say transparent material, what do I mean? Transparent material is any material that is able to allow the passage of light through it. That is a transparent. So a lens must be transparent so that it can allow the passage of light through it so that it can be able to form an image. A lens is made up of glass, as I said before, but also it's made up of a glass. There are two types of lenses. The first type of lens is convex lens, and the second type of lens is concave lens. What is the convex lens? Convex lens is a type of lens which is thick in the middle than the edge. That means the edge look very small compared to the middle point. The middle point looks bigger than the edge. That is a convex lens. You can see here, if you take a look, I've tried to draw a convex lens here on the board. This, if you take a look at the middle point, it is very thick compared to the edge. It is very thick compared to the edge. What happens when light strikes on the convex lens? This is a light rays. So guys, as I said before, this is a convex lens. And we are going to see what happens when light strikes on the convex lens. When the light rays strikes on the convex lens are collected together and to meet on one point. As you can see here, these were the light rays. The combination of light rays is called beam. So a beam is the collection of more than one light ray. So when light rays strikes on the convex lens, this is a convex lens that we are talking about. When the light rays strikes on the convex lens are collected together and to meet at one point. And the point where these light rays meet is called the focus. So, when these light rays are collected together, the lens is able to magnify objects. That is why the other name of convex lens is called magnifying lens. Means that it is able to make the small object to appear big in size. I have a convex lens by my side here. Let me show you. This is a convex lens. As you can see, if my cameraman will be able to capture it clearly, you will be able to see that the middle part is thick compared to the edge. That means the edges are very thin and the middle part is very thick. This used to magnify things. but it also used to burn things. There is a convex lens. A convex lens, as I said before, used to magnify things. Now I'm going to show you here how can it magnify things. For example, here there is a word written in lens. It is normal in size, but this will appear big when we put the convex lens, because convex lens is used to magnify things. Now let me put the convex lens towards it so that we can see what will happen. So the image looks very bigger than the normal size, because this is the function of convex lens. And the convex lens is used in so many scientific devices, such as a microscope, spectacles, and the telescope, and the other things that they need to magnify things. Another type of lens is concave lens. Concave lens is just a vice versa to the first one that we have seen, because the concave lens is thin at the middle compared to the edge, as you can see here. If you take a look at the middle, it curves inward, while the convex was curving outward. So this one curves inward, and it is too thick at the edge than the middle. So the middle is thin, but at the edge is very thick. And let's see what happens when the light rays strikes on the concave lens. This is what will happen when the light rays strikes on the concave lens. Concave lens is used to disperse light rays to different directions. It does not collect the rays together as in the way we saw on the convex. It is the vice versa. So that means when the light rays strikes on the concave lens, they are dispersed. And the other function of the concave lens is to make the object look smaller than the normal size. I have the concave lens here by my side. Let me show you so that we can see how does it respond when it is exposed to objects. The same example that we used before. This is a wide lens. But if we put the concave here, what will happen? You can see the words are in normal size, but if we apply this concave lens, they look smaller than the normal size. There is a function of the concave lens. That means the concave lens makes object look smaller than the normal size. And also, this lens is used to correct myopia. What is myopia? Myopia is the eye defect that makes a person to see things around him or her. And this person is not able to see distant objects. So in order to correct that problem, then he needs or she needs a spectacle with a concave lens, so that he or she can be able to see the distant object. So concave also is applied in so many machines, just like spectacles and the other things. So this was a lesson of today. Hopefully you have enjoyed it, guys. But to know if you have enjoyed it, I will attach the assignment in the website. So make sure that you visit the school website, you download the assignment, you do it, then make sure that you submit back to school for evaluation. Stay safe wherever you are. Take all the precautions against corona. Take care of yourself against corona. Corona kills. See you next time. Bye.